Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. This is Bhargavi. So in this video I'm going to explain you the important questions of RDBMS. So this syllabus is related to BCom students of Telangana University SEM 4. Okay. So unit 1 వచ్చేసి define DBMS and explain advantages over the DBMS over the file based systems. Next question is explain DBA functions and roles. Next, explain ER model in detail. So we have to write what is mean by tuple, what is mean by domain, what is mean by relation. The next question is explain about the keys in the DBMS. Keys are nothing but primary key, foreign key, super key, candidate key. We have to explain each and every one. So most important question is explain about constraint, explain about DBA, right? So that is we have different types of constraints like primary key integrity constraints, referential integrity constraint, domain constraints, key constraints, check constraint, null constraints. So all those are the different kinds of constraints. We have to explain them with its types and examples also, right? Now next we have explain about entities, attributes and relationships. So what is mean by entity, what is mean by attributes, what is the relation between two types of entities and types of relationships. We have cardinality of constraints, like that. The next unit is explain normalization, its forms like 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF and 4NF. So this is a damn sure question I can say. Why? Because these are the very much important for the database. So the next question is what is functional dependency? Explain its properties. So we have two types of properties for the functional dependency, that is lossless join decomposition and dependency preservation. Next, about explain file organization and its types. We have four kinds of file organization: sequential file organization, random file organization, index file organization, indexed sequential file organization, hash file organization. That methods we have to explain. What is index and its types? So we have the concept of indexes, like in a books we have indexes to search a particular topic in a particular page. In the database also we have indexes to search for a particular record. So for example, in that we have a b tree, b plus tree concepts or b tree concepts. That is very much important concept. So this file organization also I can accept. Next, third unit is SQL commands, structured query language commands. We have DDL, DML, DCL, TCL. So four types of commands are there, like create. So in DDL we have create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. In DML we have insert, delete, update. Like DCL, like select statement. TCL, grant and revoke. So all those queries with the syntaxes and with the explanation, with the example we have to write. So next question is what is nested queries? What is joins and its types? We have different types of joins: equi join, self join, outer join, like that we have to write. Next, what is a view and how to create a view? We have to explain. Next, we have what are sequences? Explain its types. Next, unit 4, explain transactions and its properties. This is a very much important topic. Next, what is deadlock and its preservation? So this is also important topic. What is mean by serializable schedule? Explain locking and its types, 2PL and optimistic concurrency control. Next, explain backup and recovery techniques. By using transaction log we can do that. How the security and integrity is achieved in the DBMS. Now we have some authorization concept. At system level we can do the authorization, at the database level also we can do the authorization. In that way we can provide the security to our data. Next and last, we have fifth unit, explain about the distributed database system and its structure. Explain data administration and data replication. And last we have data structure, explain the structure of client and server architecture and its advantages. and the last one is explain data fragmentation. So in this also we have two chapters. So in all the units, like we have two or three chapters. Out of three or two chapters, we have to prepare, if you have two chapters, prepare one chapter perfectly. Just to pass only I'm explaining. If you want to get secured marks, that means good marks, you have to read completely. Just if you want to pass, out of two chapters, read one chapter compulsory completely. Out of three chapters, read two chapters. If you have three chapters in a unit, read two chapters. If you have two chapters in a unit, read one chapter. Just to pass only I'm explaining this, right? So if you want have any queries, please comment me in the comment section. For any topics of the DBMS, I have a playlist in my YouTube channel. Please just watch those videos. If you have any doubts, please respond me in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.